Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlink PayPal from Equity Bank. First, log in to your PayPal account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet section, which is usually found in the top menu. Here, you will see a list of all your linked bank accounts and cards. Locate the specific Equity Bank account you intend to remove from your PayPal profile. After locating your Equity Bank account within the Wallet section, click on it to view its details. You should then see an option to remove bank or unlink. Select this option. PayPal will typically ask you to confirm your decision to ensure it's not an accidental action. Confirm the removal to proceed with unlinking the account from your PayPal profile. To verify that the unlinking was successful, return to your PayPal wallet and confirm that the Equity Bank account is no longer listed among your linked accounts. It's also wise to check your Equity Bank online statements to ensure no unexpected transactions are pending. If, for any reason, the account still appears linked after these steps, please contact PayPal's customer support for assistance. Before initiating the unlinking process, ensure all your pending transactions between PayPal and Equity Bank are fully completed. Remember, you always have the flexibility to relink your Equity Bank account to PayPal in the future if your needs change. Unlinking this bank account only removes its connection to PayPal. It does not close either your PayPal account or your Equity Bank account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.